What's up, guys? Happy New Year to all of you, to everybody that has been supporting this channel. Happy New Year to a wonderful and prosperous 2026 to all of you. I know that 2025 was a great year. 2026 is even going to be a better year. If you believe that, remember it's all about what you believe. Once you believe it and work towards it, it's going to manifest for me as a trader. I want to say this as a trader that these are my goals of what I'm going to be focusing. Yes, like I make a video and told you guys how 2025 was a successful year for me, but this is the first day of 2026 and I even believe this is even going to be a very better year. I'm entering this year with a spirit of growth, with a spirit of productivity. I'm entering this year with discipline. These are the 5 things that I want to make sure that I do every day as a trader in 2026. First of all, I want to wake up every morning and tell myself that yesterday is gone, today is a new day. The plans that I take today has nothing to do with what happened yesterday. The plans that I take today is going to be what I am seeing happening today. This is what I'm going to be telling myself every morning as I wake up before trading. I'm going to be telling myself that the trade that I took yesterday has nothing to do with the trades that I'll be taking today. I want to wake up with that mindset and make sure that I clear my mind from yesterday's trade before I open new trade. And secondly, I'm going to make sure I get some sort of workout every day. First thing in the morning, whether I'm going to the gym even for just 30 minutes, or I'm going for a walk for just 30 minutes, or I'm going out just to play some game or something, let me make sure that I see outside before checking my chart. That is very important, something that I want to incorporate with my life in this 2026 to make sure that I have a better trading journey ahead of me during that day. And again, I want to make sure that I wake up every morning and I follow my first plan. This is one thing that I'm putting in place. I'm making sure that I wake up every single morning, I follow my first plan. So whatever I see next, I'm not going to use emotions to change the plan that I have in motion. So I'm going to follow my plan regardless of what. That includes me deciding on a trade, deciding why I'm taking that trade, deciding the point that I'm entering that trade, deciding the risks that I'm involving in it, deciding the target. These things I'm going to follow it. If one of these things is not met, I will know that that trade did not exist. I will learn from it. These are stuff that I'm going to be doing to make sure that I have a better trading career in 2026. Make sure that I stay disciplined. It's very important. I stay disciplined regardless of what. And another thing that I want to focus on in 2026 is I will let money come to me. That is, I will let profit come to me. I don't want to chase profit anymore. In 2026 in my trading career, I don't want to chase profit. I'll let profit come to me. So let me explain this to you. When I mean I'll let profit come to me is when I enter a trade, it shouldn't be because I just want to make money. When I enter a trade, it should be because I am following the market. It should be because I'm trading and I'm respecting what the market is doing. And if I'm respecting what the market is doing, when it gets to my target, I should make money. If it gets to my stop loss, I take a loss and come out that day. So I shouldn't be chasing to make profit in all circumstances. So thus, I'm not going to force trades. I'm not going to force setups that are not there. Even when I see the opportunity to make quick money, I will stick to my always strategy. I won't trade any other strategy apart from my strategy. That's what I mean. I won't force trade. So if I see a strategy that is not my strategy, I'm not going to enter that trade because I feel like it can make me money. I want to stay more disciplined. I want to stay more patient. I want to stay more focused and stop chasing profit and let profit come to me. And one more thing that I want to do in 2026 to elevate my game is I want to stop treating trading like a casino. And one thing that I want to also do in this 2026 to elevate my game is I want to stop over trading. I want to treat this as a job that I have. I want to put in the more time that I have there, I want to treat this like a business, meaning I want to put in more time to be it steadily and not overdo it because it's not going to go anywhere. I want to take my time and do it over and over again, but not overdo it. So I want to avoid overtrading. Maybe I didn't overtrade in 2025, but as I'm growing older into the game, I want to take more selective trades, more high probability trades, trade that align with my every rule, trade that align with every checkbox that I have. Those are the type of trades that I want to take in 2026. And the last and not the least, I want to journal everything that I do in trading in 2026. Whether being a win or a loss trade, I want to journal this trade. When I mean I want to journal is I want to write every information during that trade. I want to write the reason for taking that trade, the setup that I use, why I choose my entry and my target and my stop loss the way I did. I want to do all that in 2026, both winning and losing trades. I feel like doing so is going to step up my game more in a level that I haven't seen before. And also, I want to focus on mental clarity. I want to make sure that I stay focused. I want to make sure that my mind stay clear in every trade that I take, in everything that I do. Let my mind be clear. Let my mind be at peace in every trade that I take. That peace of mind that I had in 2025, I need even a better peace of mind in 2026. Because with peace of mind, I feel like the stress that is attached to trading goes away. So these are the things that I want to focus on as a trader in 2026. What do you think about my goals as a trader in 2026? Put a comment down below and let me know if that will make me a better trader than a trader that I was in 2025. And let me also know what you want to see happen in 2026 in your life as a trader or not. Let me know in the comment section what you want to experience in 2026.